huge cup right here. MashaAllah. There you go. सबसे पहले बिस्मिल्लाह. Bosnian, Portuguese, Spanish. Quran used to be written in the old days. Shukran. Bangalore. It's a palace actually. And it's very nice. It's very soft. Welcome to another vlog. I'm in the lobby at the moment. Just wanted to show you this huge cup right here. It's very big. पता नहीं कितना बड़ा है यार, बहुत बड़ा है. It's just a design, I hope. And ये pot for teas. We just ordered some pizzas यहाँ पे. We ordered a Greek hot pot pizza and a margarita. And as you know, they have pastries as well. यहाँ पे, and they have this Arabic tea जो आप order कर सकते हैं. They're gonna serve it to you in the same way it's been displayed. And then we have some biscuits, chocolate cookies, pistachios, and these mugs are amazing. And then you have another pastries for cakes and stuff. And then you have your back coffee machines and all these set up. This is Dalla Taiba, or basically a local cafe within the restaurant itself. So every 5-star restaurant comes with a restaurant and cafe. There's another huge cup. This reminds me of Friends, and very nice. I really like those lamps. And then we have ice cream section यहाँ पे, and the huge seating area. वहाँ पे भी seating area है. It's actually a meeting Barak lounge room, so you can book it, and comes with all the settings inside, as you see. And then let's wait for the food now. ये अकेला केक यहाँ पे. As you see, fresh pizza being prepared. See the amazing chef here. All good, thank you. And then it goes वहाँ पे. MashaAllah. There you go. Freshly baked Italian pizzas in-house. Well good. And this is the chocolate mousse pastry. Pizzas are here. This is margarita, and this is Greek. क्या है इसका नाम था इसमें पूरा? Hot Greek pot something. हाँ यार ये लेगा वाला टेस्ट लेगा. ये पिज़्ज़ा है. I'm gonna have margarita. सबसे पहले बिस्मिल्लाह. रेडी यहाँ पे. माशाल्लाह. दिन में कितना बेस्टिंग की ना पंप आगे कहते कैब. चलो फिर अस्सलाम वालेकुम. असर की नमाज़ पढ़ ली. अभी कुरान फैक्ट्री जाने वाले हम लोग. थोड़ी देर पहले जो देखा वो हरम से वापस वॉक कर रहे थे लॉबी की तरफ. अभी होटल की लॉबी में बैठा हूँ मैं एसी के साथ, थोड़ा रिलैक्स. We are here entering towards the Quran factory. मेन गेट से अंदर आके ये आपको मिलेगा on your right, and there is parking and the rest of it, as you can see, it's huge. That's the main plant, I guess, and that should be head office. Entered, and look, mashallah. Now the video from here on is going to be silent, so you can hear everything and see everything. ऑल द लैंग्वेजेस जिसमें प्रिंट होता है कुरान. दिस इज Bosnian, Portuguese, Spanish, Ukrainian. See? Kannada. I prepared.
Russian, Portuguese, Ukrainian,
Malay, Telugu.
Malay, Telugu, Chinese. ये क्या?
Leskin, Chinese, Japanese,
Korean. हम लोग भी हैं.
Korean, Indonesian, Yoruba,
Japanese.
Bengali, and a lot of other languages.
Somali.
Somali. This is how Quran used to be written in the old days. मेरी वीडियो में स्कैन होगा. आगे बढ़ते हुए on our left we will see the printing machines. ये रहे हैं आपके printing machines. रेडी हैं सब कुरान.
बाइंडिंग पूरे रेडी हो गई. हम प्रिंट हो रही
यहाँ से प्रिंटिंग हो रहा. उन्हें बुक्स रख रही ना कुरान उठा को. ये this you see here, all the pages is just picking them up as bundles and putting them in the machine auto load, and then it's going to get covered over there. And सारा कुछ जो भी है the productions, writers, so on, जो भी last first page पे print होगा वो होगा, and then it's gonna go on towards the whole production line. You see at the very back, वहाँ पे right there you see Qurans being built and spinning. So I'm sure this whole production line should have a pipeline of some kind. I'm just going to walk through the plant now. This is how the Quran factory looks. The entire plant in the front of your eyes, starting from there, and you see, and then coming along, these are Quran pages gathered here everywhere, and then they get printed in here. ये देखें यहाँ से पेपर जो है ये ऐसे प्रोडक्शन लाइन्स में जा रहा है. Look at that, and this is the exact same machine as there before. यहाँ से जा रहा है, here it's getting printed, and then moving forward यहाँ पे it's exiting. They're checking whether the prints are right. The system does it, and then it piles up as huge bundles, and they collect it, put it together, and then take it to the next stage, and then credit printing and so on. यहाँ आप क्लोजली देखें, इधर पे छोटी छोटी कुरान प्रिंट्स हो रही हैं ऑन द बैक, वेरी बैक. Alright, let's go. I hope you enjoyed this place. It was amazing. तो यहाँ पे कुरान मिलेगा आपको. अस्सलाम वालेकुम, शुक्रान। बेंगलोर।
These are bigger one.
Market. Okay, thank you.
छोटा दे दो.
MashaAllah. The mountain and the villa on the top, it's not a villa, it's a mansion, huge mansion. It's a palace actually that belonged to King Fahad, the very old king of Saudi Arabia. While we were leaving the factory, this place is filled. Holy Quran services. यहाँ पे you can buy different sizes of Quran. This is right next to the factory. Here are the timings. Assalamu alaikum. See, here you can buy different sizes with Qurans. Amazing market. Look at the different versions. आपको यहाँ पे माशाल्लाह चाइनी मास बेचते हुए मिलेंगे। वहाँ पे सुरमा बिक रहा है। दिस इज फ्रूट्स। वी हैव सम टॉयज एज वेल एंड और भी जानी मास, खजूर भी है। तस्बीहां भी मिल रही हैं यहाँ पे। Some fruits. I don't know what this is. गाइस, मगरिब की नमाज हुई, खजूर बांटे, उस वीडियो को डाला था मैंने। और यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं चाय लेके कड़क। मैं जो है अभी जा रहा हूँ थोड़ा चाय वगैरह पीने, फिर ईशान का वक्त होगा। अब यहाँ पे टाइबर शॉपिंग सेंटर जा रहे हैं हम लोग शॉपिंग करने, थोड़ा से टॉप्स वगैरह एंड अदर स्टफ। तो आए चलते हैं, देखते हैं कैसे वैरायटीज़ और क्वालिटीज़ और प्राइजेस क्या हैं यहाँ पे। इंशाल्लाह बहुत अच्छा जानिमाज लग रहा है। हजर अस्वद बना हुआ है। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। हाउ मच इज दिस? 227। क्वालिटी भी अच्छा है इसका, पीछे सॉफ्ट है एकदम एंड इट्स वेरी नाइस, इट्स वेरी सॉफ्ट।